In this video, you'll learn how to troubleshoot and fix issues with Claude Code not working. This guide will take you through each step required to resolve common problems by resetting configurations and testing the functionality of the application. Begin by opening PowerShell. To do this, press the Windows key and the letter X simultaneously on your keyboard. A menu will appear on the left side of your screen. From this menu, select Windows PowerShell. This action will launch the PowerShell interface, where you can enter commands directly. Next, you will need to remove any old configurations and cache that may be causing issues. In the PowerShell window, type the following command: remove item-recurse-force $nview user profile. After entering this command, press the Enter key on your keyboard. This command will delete the Claude settings directory. Now type the second command: remove item-recurse-force $nvin user profile app data local Claude code, and press Enter again. This will remove RENI cached files associated with Claude Code, potentially resolving corruption. After clearing the old configurations, you need to set your API key. In the same PowerShell window, enter the command setxloudk_API_K_K_here. Be sure to replace your _API_key_ here with your actual API key. Press Enter to execute this command. It is important to note that this command will set the API key for future use. Once you have entered the command, close the PowerShell window and then reopen it to ensure the changes. Now it's time to test whether Claude Code is functioning correctly. In the newly opened PowerShell window, type the command Claude hello and press Enter. This command sends a simple test message to Claude. If everything is working properly, you should receive a response from Claude indicating that the application is now functioning as expected. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.